In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make your first sale on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without a website. So as you can see, I've earned over $33,000 since this account was created, and you can see the number of promo links that I have gotten to my accounts. When you come here, you can see that this is the earning per click. The earning per click represents the amount of sales you generate divided by the number of clicks that you get. That will give you the earning per click. So when you scroll down, you can see the amount of sales that I've generated. I've done this using different strategies, and here in this video I'm going to show you one of the strategies that I've used to earn this amount. As you can see, today I earned $183.21. So, and yesterday was $97.18. So I'm using different strategies to get these results, and I'm going to show you step by step how to get sales on Digistore24 as a complete beginner. With this method, even if you don't know how to build a landing page, you don't have a website, you can still use this method to earn money on Digistore24 as a complete beginner. So if you are new and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So step 1, come to the marketplace and then click on that. So once you click on the marketplace, you are going to come to this section and then select a product that you want to promote. So these are digital products that you can promote based on any of these categories that you want. So as I scroll down, you can see many niches here that you can select a product to promote. But here in this video, I'm going to go with dating, love, and relationships. So you select that. So as you can see, these are products under the dating, love, and relationship category. You can see the first one. When I scroll, you can see another one here. When I scroll further, you can see another one here. So as you can see, the first product is Secret Obsession. This is the product that I'm going to be promoting in this video. So when you come here, you can see that this product gives you 90% commission, so you are going to earn $31 per sale. When you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that this product, they have an affiliate support page where you can get resources to promote the product. So we are going to check those resources, so you click on it. So once you click on the resources page, you can see that this product, they have banners for you, they have samples, emails, they have promotion links, they have customer reports, they have product reviews. So these are some of the resources that you can use to promote the product. So it's a simple product that you can promote. When you come to the commission structure, this product is a very good product that you should promote. When you get the first sale, you are going to earn, as you can see here, they say $35. And after you sell the main product, they have an upsell product that they are going to sell to the customer. So the first upsell product, you are going to earn $72, and the second upsell product you are going to earn $50. The third upsell product you are going to earn $22. So once you get your first sale, you can be earning as much as your customer keep on buying products from this particular product owner. As you can see, apart from the upsells, they also have downsells products here that the customers can buy, and you are going to be earning your commission each time they make a purchase of this product. So you can see that once you get the first sale, you have the potential to earn up to 7 different commissions when you promote this product. So once you are okay with the product, the next thing is to now get the resources to promote this product. It's simple to promote this product because they have all the resources that you need to promote the product. So when you come here, you can see that customer reports. So we are going to be using the reports to promote this product. So you are just going to click on custom PDF reports. So once you click on that, you are going to enter your email so that you can get access to the report. So you are just going to select your emails. Once you select your emails, you are going to click on get started. So what you are going to do is that we are going to be using articles to promote this product. So you just come to the articles and landing pages. Once you come to articles and landing pages, you are going to click on article landing pages. Once you select article landing pages, as you can see here, you can edit the articles or personalize it. You can use it on your website, mailing list, or landing page. You can break it down and change it or combine it as needed. But you can claim ownership. You can add it to a paid membership website. You can sell it. You can use it to promote any other products apart from this product. So once you now know the rules, the next thing is that you are just going to download these articles and you can use them to promote the product. Start the articles download, so you are going to click on that. So once you click on it, you can see that the articles is now downloading onto my computer. So once you download the articles, they are in a zip file, so you are going to open it and extract the articles. So you click on the zip file. So once you click on the zip file, this is how it is going to look like. So you are going to open it further. So once you open it, you can see that they have them in different folders. So you are just going to select rich text articles. So as you open it, you can see that they have about 6 articles that you can use to promote the product. So you can go with the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, or the 6th one. So it depends on which one that you like. You can also use all these articles and publish them at a different time to promote the product. So in this video, I'm just going to use the second one, His Strangest Desire. So you are going to open this article, then you can then use it to promote the product. The website that I'm about to show you, they accept articles, and you are going to use this method to convert the audience there to become your customer, so that you can earn money on DigiStore24. So if you are getting value out of this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up. So now we are going to open His Strangest Desire. We are going to open that article, so you click on it. So once you open the article, this is how it looks like, the strangest thing men desire, and how it can make him crazy for you. So you are going to use this title, and you are going to use the body of this article to promote your affiliate link. So as you can see, as I scroll, you can see that it's a very lengthy article. As I scroll down, and you can see that there's a call to action. So when you are promoting this article, you are going to insert your affiliate links here. Now once you have your articles, what you are going to do is that you are going to come to this website, aminoapps.com. So as you can see the name here, aminoapps.com. This is a website that you can join. Once you join, you are going to join communities. So I've already logged into my account. So once you sign up and log in into your account, you are going to come to the explore area. So here you can explore different communities in this website. As I click on explore, you can see the different communities here that you can join. You can see this community has 788 members. You can see 3,751 members. You can see 3,093 members. You can see 4,000 members. You can see 4,273 members. And as I scroll, you can see many of them. You can see another one here, beginner artist. You can see 67,554 members. You can see another one, 45,661 members. You can see another one here, 5,000. You can see over 24,000. You can see over 6,000. You can see over 26,000. So as I scroll, you can see different communities here that you can join. So you are going to join a community based on the product that you are promoting. So if you are promoting a weight loss product, you are going to join the weight loss group. If you are promoting skincare product, you are going to join the skincare community. As we scroll, you can see many communities here. You can see Korean fashion. This is a huge group because I usually promote dating products on this website. You can see I've joined dating. You can see I've joined fitness. I've joined positive health, amino. You can see I've joined mental health. I've joined tips and advice. You can see I've joined self-care every day. So once you join, you are going to now begin to publish your article here, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you to see. So for example, we are promoting the product based on the dating category. So you are just going to join the dating community. Once you join, you are going to open it. So once you open the dating community, you can see that these are the members who are online right now. You can see 183, and the numbers keep on increasing. Many of them come and some of them also leave. So as you can see right now is 184. All the time people are online here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to promote your product on this particular community, and you are going to get people to purchase the product for you to earn money. So as you can see, I'm a member, and let me go to my profile for you to see. So as I click on my profile, you see, as you can see, I have 60 followers and I'm following only 3 people, and you can see that my reputation in this group is 15. So when you scroll down here, you can see that this article that I posted 7 days ago, I got 31 likes. So this is a community that you can join for free, and then you are going to be promoting your articles here you get people to click through your affiliate link. So now let's create our post so that you see how it works. So to create a post, you are just going to come here and click on create a post. So once you click on create post, you are now going to enter the title of your post here. You are also going to enter the body of your post here. So we already have an article to do that, so I'm going to just get in and copy the article and paste it here for you to see. We are going to paste the title of the article here. So you paste it. Once you paste it, you are now going to copy and paste the body here. So as you can see, this is our post, and you can see that this is the preview of how our post is going to look like when we post it on this website. As you know, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so we are going to insert pictures onto our article so that it can get people's attention to read more about our article and then click through our affiliate link, and when they make a purchase, we can earn a commission. So we are going to insert images here. So to do that, you are just going to put the pointer at where you want to insert the image. Once you click enter, you are going to click on this plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, you can see that you can insert a video, you can insert an image. So you are going to insert an image. So you are just going to click here and then insert an image. So if you don't know where to get images, you are just going to come to this website, pexels.com. Pexels is a free stock images website that you can download. You don't even need to give attribution to the owners. You are just going to download images here for free. Let's search for lab, and you can see the images that we are going to get. So once you search for lab, you can see the different kind of images here that you can use. So as you can see, many images here. So if you want to even go deeper, you can just search romantic. So once you select romantic, you can see an image here, another one here, another one here, and as I scroll, you can see many of them that you can use. So if you assume you want this image, you are just going to, you can just click here straight to download it, or you can click on the image and then open it. Once you open it, you are just going to come here and then select the size that you want to download. Once you select the size, you are now going to click on download. But I've downloaded images ahead of time so that this video will not be all that long. So once that is done, you are going to now insert your downloaded image. So you are going to click here add image so that you can insert the images here. So as you can see, this is the first image that I've inserted, and we are going to add another one. You can add as many images that you want. So I'll add another one so that the article can look nice. So let me insert another one here. So enter, you press enter and then click on the plus sign so that you can enter the image. So let me do that. As you can see the second image here. So once you insert your images, the next thing is that you are now going to begin inserting your affiliate links onto this article so that you can get people to purchase the product. Because if you don't insert your affiliate links onto this article, all the work that you have done will amount to nothing. So you are just going to insert your affiliate links here so that you can get people to click through them and purchase the program so that you can earn commission for that. So the next step is to come to Digistore24 and then copy your affiliate link. Once you now have your affiliate link, you are now going to bring it to your article and then insert your affiliate links here. So as you can see, these call to actions are linked to the main product owner. So you are going to remove them and insert your affiliate link. So once you have your affiliate link, the next thing is that you are going to insert your affiliate links into the call to action. So here you can see that this text is already linked to the main product, but that is not our affiliate link. So we are going to edit it and insert our own affiliate link. You can just put your cursor here and then click on edit. Once you click on edit, you are going to delete the main link and then insert your affiliate link here. So once that is done, you are just going to press enter and then continue. So when you scroll down, you can see that there's another call to action here. We are going to do the same thing. You are going to do that for all the call to actions. So I want to do it and then come back to you. So we have our affiliate links in the article. So the next thing is to now get this article out there for people to read it and then click through our affiliate links. So you are going to click on publish. You can save it as a draft and then edit it later. But if everything is okay, you are just going to click on this particular button, publish. So let me click on that for you to see. So as you can see, this is how it is going to appear, and you can see the post is going to go live. So as you can see, it is going. So as you can see, when it happens this way, you have to just be patient because it takes a little bit of time before this website publish your article. As you can see, the article is live on Amino Apps, and it's live. You can see your article here. Let me scroll down for you to see. So as you scroll, you can see our links here. So as you scroll, you can see that there are links in the article. So now the article is live on this website, and when people read it, they are going to click through your affiliate links. So as you can see, this is an active community, so you have to be interactive in the group so that you can also be publishing your article. You don't have to publish your article then stop there. You have to be interactive in the group. So as you can see, people are online. You are also going to join and then chat with them, and then you can also be talking about the product as you chat with them. So that is how you make sales with this particular strategy. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Once again, thank you for watching, and we shall meet in another video.